In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo Can't Send Money. So if you cannot send money or your payment has been declined to a person, what you can do is you need to be actually see if the payment cannot be completed because of some reasons. It may be because your bank or card issuer is declining this transaction, or your payment attempt has triggered one of Venmo's automated security flags. If either of those happen, it may decline or you can't send money through this way. So what you can do instead is you can head over and then click on the actual error message and then follow the on-screen instructions in order to actually fix this. Next, you can try adding money to your Venmo balance, then using your Venmo balance to make the payment. You can head over and send this. You can also try the different bank account or card as your payment method in order to see if it actually help you send money through that way as well. If it doesn't fix that, you can head over and click on contact us in order to fix this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.